In what? The rabbit?
That enters the shop.
You want to go inside of the rabbit? In there. Checking out the sights. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Oh, look over here.
To go in the bunny.
Okay, so go. Let's go pay $1. No, $1 per person. Ooh, yes.
$1 per bunny? Maybe I have some money.
Look how much gas this is on.
Hold on. Stand up.
Oh, this must be where he does them. What more? All right, everybody got their dollars in?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, here, let's do it quick. To the top and back. You coming too? All right, I'll just film at least to here. Oh, here we go.
Dad, look at it. So cool.
Nice. Oh, wait, this is the door? Oh, interesting.
Dad, look at this. And then look at that up there. Dad, look upstairs.
Guys, and look over here. Guys, man, watch me going up the stairs.
Okay.
Oh my god. This person made this all by itself.
Somehow. This is actually cool.
There's faces in all the trees.
Hey, guys, look it. This will do it. Come up here.
That's amazing. What the heck? This is so
Oh, that is cute. Little tiny face right here in the crack of the wood. Watson, why did you crap in the bunny? Watson,
What?
look at Dad.
What?
Why did you go potty in the bunny?
Why?
I don't know why.
Why?
Why did you do that?
Why?
Did you go poop in the bunny?
Yeah.
Why?